Okay, fantastic. We are still with this little drawing here, but now we want to do a little bit more. We want to put type of slot or something in there, just to make the thing look a little bit better, or to lighten it up a little bit. Okay, so let's use lines. I think I'll just use a line there for this one. Draw a line from here to say there, and we'll draw a line from here to roughly about there. Good, we've got that two lines, and we can say this line and this line should be parallel, and we say this line and this line should be parallel. We constrain them parallel first of all. Good. Obviously it's not going to get rid of all the degrees of freedom because we haven't completed this thing yet. We need to have a close object here. So I'm going to use the arc tool for this, and this is a arc tool. Let's create an arc, and I'm going to use this arc tool. I'll start there at the top, draw the arc to the bottom there, and then set it, look at where that point goes, and I'm going to set it to roughly there, and click. There's our arc, and we're going to do again the arc on this side to there and to the other side like that, and we'll set it. It makes that faint gray line, and then we set it, and there we got the arc going. Great, fantastic. So now let's see, this point is moving, these points is moving, they are all set, so that's great. They are. Let's set this. Now if we remember correctly, this circle is like 20, so we set this one on the loop to 27, and we'll set this one, we just keep it close to what it gives us, to 13, and said okay, there we go. So we've got our degrees of freedom here and our degrees of freedom there. Now we can see that this thing is moving up and down, so we'll need to set the distance between that line and that line. Wait, okay, that distance, it can be set, that's fine, and this one will then be equal. Right, we've got that sorted out. I want to do this, so we can set this point to that line at distance 7.5. Okay, we've got that 7.5, and we set the point from that point to that line, the distance. Okay, oops. Let's see, we've got that one. Can we still move that? That moves up and down, so I'm going to set that one and that one, that and that coincident, and that one also coincident. Okay, oops. So we don't really need that one. Let's see, what else do we need? That one. Ooh, that one is moving. So we want a distance from here to there. Let's see if that will give us a distance. Fine, that should be 7.5. Okay, and we've got a fully constrained object again, just like that. Fantastic. Great, now that we have the sketch, maybe we can close the sketch and we can pad it. Let's pad it like that. Great, it's padded. We'll make it a little bit thinner like that. And we've got a 3mm flange type thingy again, which look quite different from the first one that we create, but it's fantastic. So let's stop it at that for a moment, and we'll continue in the next video.